Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Korean ebook before it's gone.
Welcome to Fun and Easy Korean by KoreanClass101.com. Have you ever tried black pudding or a traditional Korean sweet called hangwa? If you don't know what these are, you'd better watch this video. 여러분 안녕하세요, 소피입니다. Hi everyone, I'm Sophie. In this lesson, you will learn all about the top 10 South Korean street foods. Korea has a wide variety of cuisine, but street food is often overlooked by tourists who only seek restaurants. Street vendors in Korea sell unique, flavorful, and portable foods that no tourist should miss. In this video, you will learn the top 10 South Korean street foods, the most famous Seoul markets, and some useful phrases to order street food. Number 1 is seafood pancakes. 해물파전. Seafood pancake. 해물파전. 해물파전. This is a Korean pancake that comes in many different styles and can be found almost anywhere. Here are some variations. 김치전, meaning kimchi pancake. 김치전. 김치전. 야채전, meaning vegetable pancake. 야채전. 야채전. For either dinner or a snack, this versatile pancake can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Number 2 is kimbap, Korean traditional seaweed rice rolls. Kimbap. Kimbap. Kimbap is very similar to Japanese sushi. While sushi is made from rice with vinegar and raw ingredients, kimbap typically contains vegetables and cooked meats. Although kimbap rice doesn't have any vinegar added to it, the rice is brushed with sesame oil before being wrapped in seaweed. Kimbap comes in many different varieties. For example, kimchi kimbap, kimchi kimbap, kimchi kimbap, kimchi kimbap, 불고기 kimbap, 불고기 kimbap, 불고기 kimbap, 불고기 kimbap. It's usually served in bite size and is arranged on plates, perfect for a picnic or boxed lunch. Number 3, sunde, translated as black pudding. Sunde. Sunde. Black pudding is a pork sausage filled with a mix of sweet rice and sweet potato vermicelli noodles. The sauce offered with black pudding contains a mixture of salt, ground pepper, and to add more flavor, 고춧가루, which are red chili pepper flakes. 고춧가루. 고춧가루. You can find red chili pepper flakes in any market in Seoul. They also come in various meals such as 순댓국, black pudding soup served in 뚝배기, which is an earthenware pot. 순댓국. 순댓국. Another option is 순대볶음, stir-fried black pudding with vegetables and gochujang, which is Korean red chili paste. 순대볶음. 순대볶음. These are specialized dishes, so try to find a few famous restaurants in Seoul that make various sunde meals. For number 4, we have 떡볶이, stir-fried rice cake in gochujang sauce. 떡볶이. 떡볶이. This is a popular South Korean spicy food that's made from rice cakes called 가래떡. Rice cake noodles. 가래떡, 가래떡. Many ingredients are added when making this meal, such as boiled eggs, fish cakes, scallions, carrots, and onions. This meal comes in two different flavors. The original 떡볶이, which is seasoned with spicy gochujang, and 군중 떡볶이, soy sauce-based 떡볶이. 궁중 떡볶이, 궁중 떡볶이. Number 5 is 튀김, which literally translates to fried. 튀김, 튀김. You can find many deep-fried foods in South Korea, from vegetables to black pudding. 튀김 is a very simple and popular food stand favorite. Number 6 is 한과, Korean traditional sweets. 한과, 한과. These sweets are made from a wide variety of ingredients and appear in traditional Korean ceremonies such as weddings and ancestral rites. There are a number of traditional Korean tea cafes that sell 한과. You can find several varieties of 한과 while traveling in South Korea. 유과, a sweet, crispy 한과. 유과, 유과. 다식, a bite-sized 한과. 다식, 다식. 과편, a jelly-like 한과. 과편, 과편. 정과, a chewy 한과. 정과, 정과. 역강정, a candy bar-like 한과. 엿강정, 엿강정. Ingredients in these confections are very healthy, so don't miss out on these delicious Korean delicacies. Number 7 is mandu, dumplings. mandu, mandu. If you are a big fan of dumplings, you cannot miss out on this. You can easily find frozen dumplings at any supermarket in South Korea. And of course, you can eat them at restaurants too. There are many kinds of dumplings, including 물만두, boiled dumplings, 물만두, 물만두, 군만두, fried dumplings, 군만두, 군만두, 찐만두, steamed dumplings, 찐만두, 찐만두, 굴림만두, bowl-shaped dumplings, 굴림만두, 굴림만두, 왕만두, oversized dumplings, 왕만두, 왕만두, and also 김치만두, dumplings stuffed with kimchi, 김치만두, 김치만두. Number 8 is 회오리 감자, spiral potatoes. 회오리 감자, 회오리 감자, also known as twist 감자, meaning twist potatoes. twist 감자, twist 감자, or 토네이도 감자, meaning tornado potatoes. 토네이도 감자, 토네이도 감자. These potatoes are deep-fried, spiral cut, then put on a skewer. They're a popular street food in South Korea and can be prepared with various kinds of spices. Number 9 is a type of candy called 뽑기. 뽑기, 뽑기, or 달고나, 달고나. 달고나. This Korean candy is made from melted sugar and baking soda. These candies were a popular street food back in the 70s and 80s, but have now become difficult to find. So if you come across any, be sure to try it. Number 10 is more pancakes. Have you ever heard about 호떡? Filled Korean pancake. 호떡. 호떡. 호떡 is a Korean pancake that is especially popular during the winter. The original is filled with brown sugar, honey, chopped peanuts, and cinnamon. But of course, there are many varieties. 녹차 호떡, green tea 호떡, 녹차 호떡, 녹차 호떡, 옥수수 호떡, corn 호떡, 옥수수 호떡, 옥수수 호떡, 피자 호떡, 피자 호떡, 피자 호떡, 피자 호떡. If you like them, you can buy a DIY hot dog package at the local supermarket. This is perhaps one of the easiest Korean street food recipes you can find in South Korea. They're really easy to make, so give it a try. Next, let's briefly talk about some popular food markets in Seoul. The first one I'd like to mention is 서울 광장시장, Seoul 광장 Market, 서울 광장시장, 서울 광장시장. When Koreans think of famous Korean street markets in Seoul, 광장 Market is the first one that comes to mind. This market has been open for more than 100 years. As soon as you get there, you will instantly fall in love with the atmosphere and the vibe from the people in the market. Just go around the market, and if you find a spot to dine at, feel free to take a seat. The prices are affordable, but only cash is accepted. Next market is 서울 망원시장, Seoul Mangwon Market, 서울 망원시장, 서울 망원시장. This place was introduced in a very famous TV show called I Live Alone. Since then, this market has become a lot more popular. It was originally a very obscure place, known mostly to locals. So if you want to blend in with the others, this place is a must visit. Another famous market is 서울 구로시장, 구로 Traditional Market, 서울 구로시장, 서울 구로시장. If you are into a vintage style, then this is the place for you. It has a mixture of past and modern styles and is famous for selling clothes, food, tools, and ingredients that you cannot find in any other supermarket in Seoul. The last market is 남대문 시장, 남대문 Market, 남대문 시장, 남대문 시장. This market has been open for more than 600 years. The great thing about this place is that you can compare different products and prices freely, and you're able to buy stuff at a reasonable price. Since the Seoul Olympics in 1988, the simmered large head hair tail has been the most popular dish at this market. In Korean, it's called 갈치조림. 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 Try it out when you can. Finally, let's see some useful phrases when ordering street food. To get started, you will need to greet 안녕하세요, hello, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. Then, since Korean food is famous for being spicy, you might need to ask, 이것은 많이 맵습니까? Is this spicy? 이것은 많이 맵습니까? 이것은 많이 맵습니까? If you're in a cafe, you might need 화장실은 어디에 있나요? Where is the bathroom? 화장실은 어디에 있나요? 화장실은 어디에 있나요? Or 계산서 주세요. Could I have the check? 계산서 주세요. 계산서 주세요. Don't forget to thank. 감사합니다. Thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. In this lesson, you learn about the most delicious South Korean street food and some famous soul food markets. Next time you visit Korea, ask your Korean friends to take you to one of these markets so you can show off your intimate knowledge of soul food culture and eat like a native. If this lesson left you hungry for learning more Korean, go to KoreanClass101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Get our complete learning program with real lessons given by real teachers. That's it for today. See you next time. 다음에 또 봐요.